Hey guys, welcome back to Detroit Garage. We're just doing the injector tubes on the 253. I've done one, and it's been a bit of a challenge. The reamer's a little bit dull. It's not as sharp as it should be, and it's taking me considerable time to ream this out. But anyway, I got this one done, and it's 3/1000ths below the deck, and the book says flush to -15 for the Kentmore kit, and then the manual says flush plus or minus 14 thou. So that's pretty good. 3/1000ths is really close. So there it is there. Let's see if I can get closer for you. And then you run it over the edge here, it's 0. So that's the depth gauge tool I made from an old injector. Is using the tool they have. So the injector plus or minus 14 thou from the fire deck. So that's the new tube, and that's the old tube. Okay, we're going to remove the tube. There's a tool for this, and I do have it, but I like this method. I saw somebody else do this. Just use a 3/8 tap. Bolt. And there's the old tube. So, being this engine sat for so many decades, I guess these seals could deteriorate and then leak, but or get brittle. Yeah, so we'll clean that out now. And I use an old wire brush. I think it was a battery cable brush. So that's the new O-ring. Put that in there. Put the tube in the hole, and my tube installer. So this is all Kentmore equipment. And then we just tap it in. There. I'll take my tip out. Yeah, so now we'll flare it with the flaring tool. Okay. So we're going to torque this down to 30 foot-pounds. So now we just got to remote this hole. Okay, I'll dress that up now. All right, there it is. So now we'll do the, okay, we'll check the height. That would be more than minus 15 thousandths. So we're going to true that up. Well, we're getting somewhere now. The second one was a lot faster, so got a little bit more experience, and it went a lot faster, less than half the time. So it literally took 20 minutes to get to where I am now. And it's sitting at -5. So we'll take 2 thousandths off and it'll be the same as the other one. So very close now. So that's the tool I made. The old injector out of it. The original 35. And then I turn this on the lathe to set the height correctly. Yeah, it works really nice. Oh, how about that? Wow, very nice. Awesome, that's 3 thousandths. Well, this went really quick. Less than 30 minutes to get that one done. So very happy. Yeah, 3 thousandths. So that's it, finished. I'm going to leave the tubes flush. I don't think that harms anything. The book says to cut it down, but I like to leave as much material on there as I can. But that's it, guys. That's that's installing those tubes. Well, there you go, guys. That's installing the tubes on a 253 Detroit. And I've got another head to do. I'll do that off camera. And then I have to send this head off now to get the seats ground. I spoke about that before. This head that's off that Deere 253, and the thing was sitting out in the field for years. And it was full of water, so those seats need to be dressed. I didn't buy new seats because I don't have the tool, but they've got seats in stock, so if it needs new seats, they'll put them in. Some of these are questionable. Anyway, they should clean up, I think. We'll see what the machine shop says. We'll leave it to the experts. So again, thanks for checking in. I hope you enjoyed that, and we'll catch you on the next video. Take care.